It's around back by the slide. Whoa. Where is it? Oh, look it. What do you think?
I think it's nice.
You think it's nice? Here's all your toys. You have a shovel? Here's some buckets in here. Here's a bucket to put the sand in. And this thing is a sand sifter. No, don't throw it out of the box, honey. Here's what you do. You could sit right in that box. You can get in there. Take your shoes off. And you can get in.
Ours.
This is ours, yes.
I know.
You can take your shoes off and get right in there. Go ahead. And you can sit down in there if you want. What are you playing in? How is it? Is that a new sandbox? Can you say, you know who gave that to me? A nice girl named Charlene. Can you say thank you, Charlene?
Charlene.
You're covering up your feet? We're having fun already. Thank you very much to Charlene.
You can't even move. You can't even move.
You can't even move?